Hello viewers, welcome to RK Keynotes. In the statistics for data science model, in the previous videos we have seen how to calculate mode, mean, median, variance and standard deviation. In this video, we'll explore frequency table and histogram. If you have not subscribed yet, do subscribe my channel to get more updates, and let's get into the video. Basically, frequency table is used to count a particular category. We're gonna use value underscore counts function to calculate the frequency or counts. Histograms are used to visualize the distribution of continuous variables. For example, marks. You can't use histogram for a categorical variable. Example, for gender, we can't use a histogram. We're gonna use a library called matplotlib and a function called hist and bins. Basically, these are all called intervals or buckets. So the histogram looks like this. This is the sample and these are all called bins. Let's flip to Google Colab for the practical session. First, let's import pandas library, import pandas spd, and I'm going to read my CSV dataset in a data frame equal to within pandas library. I'm going to use read underscore CSV and my CSV location is this. Alright, I'm going to display the top 5 records using head function, and these are all my records. And now the first task is to calculate the frequency table, that is the count, which means that here I have used my variable called frequency equal to the data frame in which our dataset got stored, and for subject I'm going to calculate, that is I just want to find the number of students who are interested in a particular subject. So I'm going to use a function called value underscore counts and print this one. Run this one. Now this is the result. 36 students like chemistry, 35 likes physics, 29 students like English. Alright. The next task is to generate histogram. How to do this? First we need to import library. The library name is called import matplotlib.pyplot_plt, and we need to use percentage matplotlib inline, which means that we are going to import matplotlib into Google Colab. And the next step is we need to provide the input using hist function, that is x equal to overall marks, this is our input, and data equal to df is our input data, that is the data frame. Our data set got stored in this. So we have got 100 records and 4 columns. So that is what the shape is showing, data frame with shape. Alright, and I'm going to display this one. Let's run this. So this is our histogram. So we can visualize the data in this way. And do remember that histogram can be used only for continuous variables. Now how about bin? So if you see that there are a lot of bins, right? To reduce these things, I'm gonna use bin equal to 3, which means that it is going to display 3 bins, 1, 2 and 3. You can play with this, like I'm gonna use 5, and let's see that it is going to show 5 bins, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you can easily visualize the data. That's it about histogram and frequency table. Hope you liked this video. Try this one and let me know in the comment section. Thank you.